The GoPro Hero 13 Black represents the latest evolution of GoPro's flagship action camera lineup. Built for adventure, travel, sports, content creation, and extreme environments, the Hero 13 Black continues GoPro's tradition of delivering rugged performance in a compact package. While it may look similar to previous generations on the outside, the Hero 13 Black introduces several meaningful improvements that enhance versatility, image quality, battery life, and overall usability. For action camera enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, athletes, and content creators, the Hero 13 Black remains one of the most capable cameras available. One of the first things users notice about the Hero 13 Black is its familiar design. GoPro has refined the same proven formula that has made its cameras successful for years. The camera remains compact, lightweight, and highly durable. Its rugged construction allows it to withstand conditions that would damage many traditional cameras. The Hero 13 Black is designed to handle dirt, mud, rain, snow, vibration, and impacts. This durability makes it especially attractive for activities such as mountain biking, skiing, snowboarding, surfing, hiking, off-roading, motocross, and water sports. The camera is waterproof without requiring an external housing. Users can take it underwater for swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, and various aquatic adventures. This convenience simplifies operation and reduces the need for additional accessories. Image quality remains one of the Hero 13 Black's strongest features. The camera captures highly detailed footage with vibrant colors and excellent sharpness. GoPro's image processing continues to improve with each generation. Footage appears crisp and engaging straight out of the camera. The Hero 13 Black is capable of recording high-resolution video suitable for YouTube, social media, travel films, documentaries, and professional productions. One of the biggest strengths of the Hero 13 Black is its ability to record in challenging environments. Action cameras frequently encounter situations involving fast movement, sudden lighting changes, and unpredictable conditions. The Hero 13 Black handles these challenges remarkably well. The camera's sensor captures impressive detail while maintaining strong overall image quality. Dynamic range performance has improved compared to earlier generations. Bright skies retain more detail. Shadow areas contain additional information. This results in footage that appears more balanced and natural. High-contrast scenes often look better than they did on older GoPro models. Color reproduction is another area where the Hero 13 Black performs well. Colors appear vibrant without becoming excessively saturated. Blue skies, green forests, ocean water, autumn foliage, and urban environments all look rich and visually appealing. Content creators can choose between ready-to-share color profiles and flatter profiles designed for color grading. This flexibility makes the camera useful for both casual users and professional editors. Low-light performance has traditionally been one of the biggest challenges for action cameras. The Hero 13 Black improves upon previous models but still faces limitations due to its relatively small sensor size. In bright daylight conditions, image quality is excellent. As lighting conditions become darker, noise levels gradually increase. Indoor environments, nighttime scenes, and heavily shaded areas reveal the physical limitations of an action camera sensor. Despite these limitations, the Hero 13 Black performs better than many earlier GoPro models. Noise reduction processing has improved. Detail retention remains relatively strong. Colors remain reasonably accurate under challenging lighting conditions. Video recording performance remains the primary reason many users choose a GoPro. The Hero 13 Black offers a wide variety of resolutions and frame rates. This flexibility allows creators to tailor settings for specific projects. High-resolution recording captures tremendous detail. High frame rate modes make smooth, slow-motion footage possible. Athletes, action sports enthusiasts, and content creators benefit greatly from these capabilities. One of the standout features continues to be hyper-smooth stabilization. GoPro's stabilization technology has become one of the most respected systems in the action camera market. The Hero 13 Black delivers incredibly smooth footage even when mounted on bicycles, motorcycles, helmets, vehicles, surfboards, or handheld rigs. Rough terrain that would normally create shaky footage often appears surprisingly stable. Walking shots become smoother. Running footage becomes more usable. Action sequences look significantly more professional. Many users find that hypersmooth eliminates the need for a separate gimbal in many situations. This is particularly important for travel creators and athletes who want to minimize equipment. The stabilization system allows creators to focus on capturing the moment rather than worrying about camera movement. Horizon lock remains another valuable feature. The camera can maintain a level horizon even when rotated significantly. This creates footage that looks polished and controlled. For activities involving frequent camera movement, horizon lock can dramatically improve viewing quality. The Hero 13 Black introduces expanded lens compatibility through GoPro's HB series lens ecosystem. These interchangeable lenses provide additional creative options for users. Different lens attachments allow creators to achieve unique visual perspectives without carrying multiple cameras. Ultra-wide views, cinematic looks, and specialized shooting styles become easier to achieve. This modular approach increases the camera's versatility. Battery life receives meaningful improvements in the Hero 13 Black. One of the most common complaints about action cameras has historically involved limited recording time. The Hero 13 Black addresses this issue with enhanced power management and improved battery performance. Users can record for longer periods before needing to swap batteries. This becomes especially useful during travel, sporting events, outdoor adventures, and extended shooting sessions. The new battery design also performs better in colder temperatures. Winter sports enthusiasts frequently struggle with battery performance in freezing conditions. The Hero 13 Black provides improved reliability during skiing, snowboarding, mountaineering, and cold weather adventures. Audio quality has also improved. Built-in microphones capture clearer sound than previous generations. Wind reduction technology helps reduce unwanted noise during outdoor recording. While dedicated external microphones still provide superior audio quality, the built-in audio system performs surprisingly well for an action camera. Creators who vlog, travel, or record commentary will appreciate these improvements. The camera's front and rear displays contribute significantly to usability. The front-facing screen makes framing selfies and vlogs much easier. Creators can monitor composition while recording themselves. The rear touchscreen remains responsive and easy to navigate. Menu systems are intuitive and accessible even for beginners. The Hero 13 Black is particularly appealing for travel creators. Its compact size allows it to fit into small bags, pockets, or travel kits. Unlike larger camera systems, it can be carried almost anywhere without becoming burdensome. Many travelers use the Hero 13 Black as a secondary camera alongside mirrorless systems. Others rely on it as their primary travel camera because of its simplicity and durability. Adventure athletes remain one of GoPro's core audiences. Mountain bikers, skiers, surfers, climbers, skydivers, motocross riders, runners, and off-road enthusiasts continue to benefit from the Hero 13 Black's rugged design. Image quality differences between leading action cameras have become relatively small. Many purchasing decisions now come down to workflow preferences, accessory compatibility, and feature priorities. The Hero 13 Black remains a strong choice because of its balanced performance across nearly every category. For content creators, travelers, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a rugged camera capable of producing professional-looking footage, the Hero 13 Black delivers an impressive package. Its combination of stabilization, image quality, durability, battery performance, flexibility, and ease of use makes it one of the best action cameras currently available. While action cameras will never fully replace larger mirrorless cameras for every situation, the Hero 13 Black excels in environments where portability, durability, and stabilization matter most. Overall, the GoPro Hero 13 Black continues the company's legacy of producing highly capable action cameras. It builds upon previous generations with improved battery life, expanded lens options, refined image processing, excellent stabilization, and enhanced usability. For adventure sports, travel filmmaking, outdoor content creation, vlogging, and action photography, the Hero 13 Black remains one of the most complete and versatile action cameras on the market today.